In a significant stride towards enhancing computer science education and fostering economic growth in the region, the University of Wisconsin River Falls UWRF has partnered with the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire and the University of Wisconsin-Stout to secure a $550,786 grant from the National Science Foundation (NSF). This funding aims to develop a comprehensive program that will enrich the curriculum for high school students in western Wisconsin and eastern Minnesota, ultimately contributing to the region's economic vitality. The initiative, which spans 3 years, will focus on training high school computer science teachers, equipping them with the necessary skills to conduct research and develop innovative teaching materials. According to Mary McLeod, Director of Grants and Research at UWRF, the objective of this project is to provide transformative opportunities to 30 in-service teachers delivering computer science education to high school students in this region by forming a network of teachers, students, and college campuses. This approach is designed not only to improve educational outcomes but to ensure that local students are better prepared for the demands of a technology-driven workforce. The program will see participating teachers engaging in immersive training sessions over the next 3 summers. Each educator will spend 4 weeks at either UWRF or UW-Eau Claire, where they will learn from faculty members about the latest advancements in computer science research. Following this, a 3-week curriculum development phase at UW-Stout will enable them to integrate their newfound knowledge into practical research-based educational practices. This collaborative effort builds upon existing partnerships among local high schools and the universities, emphasizing a community-centric approach to education. Anthony Verghese, chair of the Computer Information and Data Sciences Department at UWRF, highlighted the grant's significance, noting, "The fact that we received the grant from the National Science Foundation is significant since it can burnish UWRF's reputation locally and nationally." He further explained that the participating teachers would enhance their credentials, thereby increasing the overall quality of computer science instruction in the region. The program is particularly timely as the demand for skilled computer science professionals continues to surge across various industries. By cultivating a robust pipeline of qualified teachers and motivated students, the initiative aims to not only improve local educational standards but also to contribute positively to the economy. McLeod remarked, "This project will bring computer science research to the communities in this region, providing high school students with enhanced data analysis skills as they enter the local workforce." As the UWRF and its partners embark on this ambitious project, they anticipate substantial benefits for the communities involved. With an increased focus on research-based computer science education, local high school students will gain critical skills that are essential in today's job market. Moreover, as these students transition into the workforce, they will bolster the region's capacity to innovate and compete in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Looking ahead, the success of this program could serve as a model for similar initiatives across the country, showcasing the power of collaboration between educational institutions and local communities. As the demand for technology education continues to grow, the efforts of UWRF and its partners may very well set the stage for a new era of academic excellence and economic development in the region. In a significant advancement in the fight against coronaviruses, researchers from MIT and Caltech have developed a novel vaccine dubbed Mosaic 7 Calm, which shows promise in protecting against various strains of SARS-CoV-2 and related sarbecoviruses. This innovative approach could be crucial in preventing future pandemics caused by emerging variants. The Mosaic 7 Calm vaccine employs a groundbreaking method by incorporating multiple versions of sarbecovirus receptor binding proteins (RBDs) onto nanoparticles. This strategy aims to generate robust immune responses, allowing the body to recognize and combat a range of viral variants more effectively. The RBD is a critical component of the viral spike protein essential for the virus to enter host cells and is typically targeted by antibodies. Notably, the RBDs used in the vaccine have been selected for their conserved regions, which remain relatively unchanged across different strains of the virus, making it challenging for the virus to adapt and evade the vaccine-induced antibodies. This work is an example of how bringing together computation and immunological experiments can be fruitful. Stated Arap Chakraborty, a professor at MIT and one of the study's senior authors. The research published in the journal Cell highlights the collaboration between Chakraborty and Pamela Bjorkman from Caltech, who have been instrumental in refining the vaccine's design. The development of the Mosaic 7 builds on previous projects in Bjorkman's lab, where they created mosaic nanoparticles displaying 8 different RBD proteins. This design significantly enhances the likelihood of activating B cells, which are critical for generating antibodies. The presence of multiple RBDs on a single nanoparticle increases the chances that B cell receptors will bind to conserved regions, thus promoting a broader and more effective immune response. Animal studies have indicated that the Mosaic 7 vaccine elicits strong antibody responses against diverse strains of SARS-CoV-2 and even offers protection against the original SARS virus. Following these promising results, the researchers employed advanced computational strategies to identify optimal RBD combinations that could further enhance the vaccine's efficacy. The researchers tested various formulations including Mosaic 2 Mosaic 5 and the newly developed Mosaic 7 against multiple variants of SARS-CoV-2 and other sarbecoviruses. The Mosaic 7 vaccine exhibited the most promising results, producing antibodies that effectively bound to and neutralized a wide range of viruses, including those that had previously eluded mRNA-based vaccines. In pre-vaccinated mice, Mosaic 7 is consistently giving the highest binding titers for both SARS-CoV-2 variants and other sarbecoviruses, noted Eric Wang, a lead author of the study. The collaborative effort between MIT and Caltech aims to transition Mosaic 7 into clinical trials, building on a prior project with Mosaic 8, which has already received funding from the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. The researchers are also exploring the possibility of adapting the vaccine to be delivered as mRNA, enhancing its manufacturability and distribution. As the world remains vigilant against the threat of future pandemics, this innovative vaccine approach represents a significant stride towards a more resilient public health strategy. The ability to preemptively combat a range of coronaviruses could not only mitigate the impact of potential outbreaks but also inform the development of vaccines for other viral diseases. With continued research and collaboration, the Mosaic 7 vaccine may soon play a pivotal role in safeguarding global health against emerging viral threats. As the number of new cancer cases in the United States surpasses a staggering 2 million, the medical community is mobilizing in unprecedented ways to combat this pervasive disease. According to the American Cancer Society, the rise in diagnoses is met with equally encouraging news. Cancer survival rates are steadily improving, attributed largely to advancements in treatment and early detection methodologies. This juxtaposition of rising prevalence and enhanced outcomes illustrates the dynamic landscape of cancer research and care, as highlighted in the latest issue of Stanford Medicine magazine. In an insightful commentary, Dr. Stephen Artandi, director of the Stanford Cancer Institute, noted, "The field of oncology has been completely transformed from where it was 15 years ago. Many aspects of cancer treatment resemble science fiction now." This transformation is underscored by a thematic package within the magazine dedicated to the ongoing innovations in cancer treatment and research. Among the groundbreaking advancements discussed are novel surgical techniques utilizing a glowing dye to assist surgeons in locating hidden tumors and innovative radiation therapies that can precisely target cancerous tissues without damaging adjacent healthy cells even as the patient moves. These developments highlight a significant shift toward more personalized and effective treatment modalities, a trend that is further bolstered by studies exploring experimental treatments. Notably, recent discoveries of overlooked DNA structures within cancer cells are revealing new insights into the disease's aggressiveness and potential treatment pathways. Another exciting frontier in oncology is immunotherapy, particularly cell therapy, which harnesses the body's immune system to attack cancer cells. Once deemed overly ambitious, these techniques are now proving effective and are being integrated into standard treatment protocols. The implications of these therapies were explored in a recent article that delved into their transformative potential for patient outcomes. The magazine also features a Q&A with Stanford Medicine's leadership, including Dr. Lloyd Minor, Dean of the Stanford School of Medicine, and other key figures who discussed their vision for the future of cancer innovation. Their insights emphasize a commitment to redefining our understanding of cancer and enhancing preventive measures through research and outreach initiatives aimed at reducing health disparities. One particularly poignant narrative in this issue profiles Dr. Brian Lin, who, despite his own battle with incurable lung cancer, is dedicated to educating others about the disease from both a medical and personal perspective. His journey is a testament to the resilience of healthcare professionals in the face of adversity, illustrating the dual role of doctor and patient. In addition to cancer-related content, the magazine explores other critical areas of medical research, such as the biological mechanisms influencing epilepsy and the crucial role of stem cell donation, showcasing the diverse spectrum of medical advancement at Stanford. As the fight against cancer continues to evolve, the synergy of innovation, research, and personal narratives underscores a hopeful future where the complexities of cancer may be understood and addressed more effectively. With ongoing research and development, the medical community stands poised to transform these challenges into breakthroughs, paving the way for improved cancer prevention, diagnosis, and treatment strategies. The advancements reported in Stanford Medicine magazine not only reflect the current state of oncology but also signal a proactive approach towards a future where cancer may no longer hold its current connotations of inevitability and despair. In a groundbreaking development that could reshape the landscape of protein engineering, researchers have unveiled a new fluorescent protein ESMGFP created using artificial intelligence (AI). This innovation, which an AI model simulated over the course of 500 million years of molecular evolution, presents exciting possibilities for biotechnology and medicine. The protein is a product of ESM3, an advanced AI model developed by Evolutionary Scale, a startup founded by former Meta engineers. The creation of ESMGFP, a green fluorescent protein reminiscent of those found in jellyfish and corals, underscores the potential of AI to transcend traditional evolutionary processes. According to the study published in the journal Science, the genetic sequence of ESMGFP is only 58% similar to the closest known fluorescent protein, a human-modified version derived from bubbletip sea anemones. The differences in the sequence would necessitate 96 genetic mutations, a feat that nature would have taken over 500 million years to accomplish if it were even possible. ESM3 operates outside the conventional constraints of evolution. It fills in gaps in incomplete protein codes provided by researchers, generating potential protein structures based on the vast array of biological data it has been trained on. We found that ESM3 learns fundamental biology and can generate functional proteins outside the space explored by evolution, stated Alex Rives, co-founder and chief scientist of Evolutionary Scale. This capacity to design proteins with unparalleled efficiency could significantly accelerate advancements in drug development and environmental solutions, including the creation of synthetic proteins capable of degrading plastic waste. The development of ESMGFP is particularly timely as it demonstrates the practical applications of AI in addressing real-world challenges. By harnessing a dataset comprising 2.78 billion proteins, the researchers trained ESM3 to understand the intricate relationships between amino acid sequences, protein structures, and their functions. This approach mirrors the way humans fill in the blanks in language, a technique that proved effective in unveiling deep biological insights. However, the implications of this technology extend beyond mere scientific curiosity. As noted by Tiffany Taylor, an evolutionary biologist at the University of Bath, while AI models like ESM3 may enable innovations in protein engineering, they should not lead researchers to underestimate the complexities of evolution. I can't help feeling we might be overly confident in assuming we can outsmart the intricate processes honed by millions of years of natural selection, she cautioned. In a parallel development, China's DeepSeek AI has emerged as a strong competitor in the AI arena, rapidly gaining traction and becoming the most downloaded free app in the US App Store. This development has raised concerns among American tech investors about the efficacy of U.S. export controls in the face of a rapidly advancing Chinese AI sector. DeepSeek, developed at a fraction of the cost of its American counterparts, has demonstrated that advanced AI models can be created with less sophisticated hardware, challenging the traditional assumptions about the resources required for AI development. The juxtaposition of these two narratives highlights a pivotal moment in technology where AI not only enhances our understanding of biological processes but also reshapes global competitive dynamics. As researchers continue to explore the boundaries of what AI can achieve in scientific fields, the potential applications seem boundless. Looking ahead, the fusion of AI with biotechnology heralds a new era of innovation. As these technologies mature, we may witness a paradigm shift in how we approach challenges in healthcare, environmental sustainability, and beyond. The future of AI-driven protein engineering could pave the way for solutions that were previously unimaginable, underscoring the importance of continued investment in both research and ethical considerations surrounding these advancements. In a remarkable development for the nuclear fusion sector, U.S. startup Helion has secured $425 million in funding, a boost that propels its ambitious goal of generating electricity from nuclear fusion by 2028. Backed by notable investors including tech luminaries Sam Altman, Peter Thiel, and venture capital firms such as Lightspeed and SoftBank's Vision Fund, Helion's latest funding round brings its total capital raised to over $1 billion and elevates its valuation to approximately $5.4 billion. Helion is notable for its aggressive timeline in the nuclear fusion race, a field where scientists have long sought a sustainable method of harnessing energy by fusing hydrogen atoms into helium. This process promises a carbon-free energy source with minimal radioactive waste. The company's chief executive David Kirtley emphasized the significance of the recent funds, stating they will primarily be allocated to the manufacturing of pulse capacitors, a critical element of Helion's Polaris reactor. The capacitor is where about a third of the cost of the whole system goes. And about 85% of Polaris capacitors were built overseas, Kirtley noted, adding that the company aims to shorten production times significantly by bringing manufacturing in-house. Helion's Polaris reactor, described as the company's 7th-generation design, is currently operational, albeit with Kirtley remaining tight-lipped about the specifics of its performance. He expressed confidence in the reactor's capacity for rapid iterations and improvements, contrasting Helion's approach with that of other fusion technologies. Kirtley pointed out that the design is smaller, cheaper, easier to build, and with less concrete, positioning Helion favorably within a competitive landscape where efficiency and speed are paramount. The company has also secured a contract with tech giant Microsoft to begin supplying electricity generated from its fusion system by 2028, alongside plans to construct a 500 MW power plant for the steel manufacturer Nucor. However, Kirtley acknowledged that regulatory hurdles remain, as Helion will need to obtain state permits to deploy its power plants. The urgency of Helion's mission is underscored by recent achievements in the global nuclear fusion arena. Earlier this month, Chinese researchers set a new benchmark by sustaining a nuclear fusion reaction for 1,066 seconds at a temperature of 100 million degrees Celsius, highlighting the intense international competition in this field. China has been investing heavily in fusion research, with estimates suggesting an annual expenditure of around $1.5 billion, nearly double the U.S. commitment of $800 million. This funding disparity raises questions about future advancements and the potential for other nations to surpass U.S. capabilities in fusion technology. The implications of Helion's progress and the advancements made by international competitors like China are profound. If successful, fusion energy could revolutionize the global energy landscape, offering a sustainable and virtually limitless power source. As the race accelerates, the need for innovation and investment in fusion technology has never been more critical. Looking ahead, the next few years will be pivotal for Helion and the broader fusion community. The interplay of technological breakthroughs, regulatory developments, and international competition will shape the future of nuclear fusion. As Kirtley aptly summarized, there is a huge need for baseload power, even more than we thought before, signaling an urgent demand for clean energy solutions that fusion technology could potentially fulfill. With substantial funding and ambitious goals, Helion is poised to play a significant role in this transformative energy sector, potentially altering the course of energy production as we know it. In a groundbreaking revelation that could reshape the landscape of materials science and energy transmission, researchers have uncovered a new superconductor in the form of tungsten diselenide, which exhibits superconducting properties when arranged in a twisted Moore pattern. This discovery, detailed in a study led by physicist Corey Dean at Columbia University, not only enhances our understanding of superconductivity but also opens new avenues for the development of room temperature superconductors, a long-sought goal in the scientific community. Superconductors are materials that can conduct electricity without resistance, a phenomenon typically achieved under extreme conditions of temperature and pressure. The study highlights how ultra-thin sheets of tungsten diselenide maintain superconductivity at temperatures just above absolute zero when layered in a specific configuration. The innovative Moore pattern, akin to the aesthetic effect seen in certain textiles, enables this transformation, demonstrating a previously unobserved capability in transition metal dichalcogenides (TMDs), a group of materials that includes tungsten diselenide. Dean's team had previously explored similar properties in graphene, a well-known superconductor, but faced challenges in maintaining conductivity as the material was cooled. In contrast, tungsten diselenide's unique direct band gap allows for a seamless transition of electrons from the valence band to the conduction band, facilitating enhanced superconducting capabilities. Although a wide range of superconductor-correlated phenomena have indeed been observed in the Moore TMDs, robust demonstration of superconductivity has remained absent, the researchers noted in their publication in Nature. The implications of this discovery extend far beyond academic interest. The potential for utilizing TMDs in various applications, from energy storage to advanced electronics, is significant. However, the requirement for ultra-low temperatures presents a formidable barrier to practical application. If researchers can elucidate the mechanisms that enable tungsten diselenide to become a superconductor and apply these insights to develop a room temperature superconductor, the possibilities could be transformative. Such a breakthrough would facilitate the transmission of energy without loss over vast distances, fundamentally altering how we approach energy infrastructure. Additionally, the field of quantum computing may benefit greatly from these advancements. The ability to manipulate materials at the atomic level to create stable electronic states is critical for the reliability of quantum devices. By understanding the geometric properties of electrons and their behavior in superconducting materials, researchers can potentially enhance the efficiency and performance of quantum systems. As research into these materials progresses, scientists are eager to explore whether other TMDs can exhibit superconducting properties under similar conditions. This pursuit may lead to a richer understanding of superconductivity and the development of new materials that could revolutionize technology. In a related vein, the scientific community is abuzz with another significant breakthrough: the first successful measurement of the shape of an electron in a solid. Led by physicist Ricardo Kuhlmann at MIT. This research employs advanced techniques such as angle-resolved photoemission spectroscopy (ARPS) to unveil the geometric properties of electrons. This unprecedented insight into the behavior of electrons within solids could pave the way for advancements in quantum computing and electronics manufacturing, offering a deeper understanding of how electrons interact with materials. Together, these discoveries signify a remarkable period of innovation in the realm of superconductivity and quantum materials. As researchers continue to unlock the mysteries of these phenomena, the potential for practical applications in energy transmission and computing grows ever closer, promising a future where electricity flows freely and efficiently without the limitations of current technologies. The journey ahead is both exciting and pivotal, hinting at a technological revolution that could reshape our interactions with energy and information.